I've been busy today due to my stuff. Actually, guys, this is what I called a corner cabinet that I had bought brand new. I gave to my friend, my best friend, okay? And because there's some changes in her house, she called me if I wanted it back. Actually, I bought this corner cabinet 6 weeks after I bought it. I gave it to her, and from a very well-known furniture company, Ashley, not Rooms to Go. So there, I'm really happy that she called me to see if I want it back, because during the time that I moved from my 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house in Jacksonville, I did not have a lot of space moving to a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom house. So I offered it to her that if you want this corner furniture, I'll give it to you. And that alone came with Princess House crystals. These are solid crystals. These are solid crystals that I gave it to her. Here. This is the solid crystals. Okay. So, this alone, you don't want to ask me how much I paid for this. This is a lot of money to pay for crystals. For me to buy this, I have to buy this set first. Okay? Princess House crystal. So, for me to have this, I need to pay for this. And then when I pay for this set of cocktail glasses, then I can buy this very expensive crystal. I gave that to her, and she kept it. All right. So along with that, what I gave her is all this. All this. I gave that to her. This Indian porcelain. I give that to her. Everything that I got in there, I give that to her. So anyway, she called me last week. She said, if I want it back. I said, yes, I would love to have it back. Because, you know, from the 2-bedroom house, moving into this house now, which is a 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom, I have a lot of space where I can put them in. And now that I lived here, like all these years, I really needed a corner cabinet. I think this is a lot bigger. This is a lot bigger. This is a lot wider than the other one. These are set. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for it, but it's a lot of money I paid for this corner cabinet. It is an oak wood. So now that I've been busy all day today, and I'm really thankful that she called me because she made some changes in her house. So yeah, that's what I've been doing all day today. And I have been eating since yesterday. So there you go. Just to tell you what I had been doing. And I'm just glad, no? Kasi yan yung mga original na mga gamit ko nung lumipat ako nagpagawa ako ng bahay. Yan yung original, guys, na mga gamit ko. Kasama itong leather couch ko. Na, yan yung original na yan. Yes. So, napakasaya ko na makita, bumalik uli ang original ko mga gamit na ibinigay ko sa best friend ko. At ibinalik niya sa akin as if it has not left me. Ang tuwa ko kaya, yes. So, of course, no? Parang hindi na maluwag yung bahay ko. Parang masikip na siya. Masikip na siya. Kaya, ayun. At, siyempre, Pag dito naman tayo, no? I'm just really happy. I'm so happy. Nice. A simple home makes me feel at home, makes me feel comfortable, makes me content. What is God giving me? I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Simple things. Siyempre, ito yan. To, kasama yan sa um, Indian porcelain. Porcelain ito eh. Hindi to ceramics ha. Porcelain yan. Yung binibigay ko sa kaibigan ko. Yan. Porcelain yan. Yung dalawang set na yan. Ito porcelain yan. Indian ceramics po yan. Napaka-expensive po niyan. Totoo yan. Totoo yan. I mean, it's nice to have them. Siyempre dito nilipat ko yung mga collection ng husband ko. Ayan yung mga collection niya, mga supercar, mga collectible, no? Ito po. Yan. Yung kanyang mga collectible supercars. Nilipat ko dito. Yeah. It's nice. Para sa akin, nice, ha? Ito niyang plano niyang gawin. Bumuo ng mga ganitong kotse kasi magaling ang asawa ko gumawa ng kotse. So, he makes a car from the scrap. It is really nice. Yeah, it is nice. Ito yung Indian porcelain na sinasabi ko kanina, yung dalawang set doon sa corner cabinet ko. Ito po. Napakatagal ko na po itong hawak, no? Ito yung nabibili ko po sa napaka-expensive po sa mall, no? Ito ay Indian porcelain. Bata pa yung anak ko dyan. Ayan, bata pa yung anak ko dyan. So, yan po. Itong set na to, tapos yung dalawang set, kaya po, minahal ko talaga to kasi porcelain eh. Pati nga plato ko, mikasa talagang super super quality. Hi guys, madilim dito. Tapos nang magtrabaho, wala pa akong kain. Kahapon pa akong kumain, guys. Kahapon pa. Oh. Kahapon pa. Pero, I am content. No, kontento ako sa buhay. Kontento ako sa buhay. Yan. Kontento ako sa buhay. Kala naman siguro yung bayad bagsak at hayat sa mura at hasa. Ako ay sobrang namulubi. Kawawa ang buhay ko. Mas kawawa mga buhay nila. Kung saan man sila ngayon, mas kawawa ang buhay nila kaysa buhay ko. Praise the Lord. Na wala pa kong ganong buhay kagaya nila, no? Because God is not going to forsake me. Of course not. Alright guys, thank you sa inyong lahat sa panonood nitong video na to. Thank you po. Ay, may angel po tayo. Yan. Pinakita ko lang ang changes, no? Dito sa bahay ko. Kung ano ginagawa ko all day today. Ayan. Yan ang ginagawa ko ngayon. So, Christmas na dito sa bahay ko. Hey! Ang cute! Oh, Christmas na dito. Ayan. Ayan. Bye-bye.